Hey everyone, so this is Godofredo, and today I will share with you the animation that I made about the cell cycle of a cell. This animation visualizes the cell cycle and division of a cell from the Aedes aegypti, also known as the yellow fever mosquito. The mosquito has 6 chromosomes, 3 pairs of chromosomes, and therefore has a diploid number. And without further ado, let's get into it. For G1 phase, the cell acquires resources to prepare for DNA synthesis and mitosis. As the cell transitions from the S phase to the S phase, the cell starts to synthesize its DNA. The procentrioles, which is the still growing versions of centrioles, starts to form. During S phase, the cell focuses entirely on DNA replication, and each of the 6 chromosomes is copied, resulting into 2 identical sister chromatids for every chromosome. The DNA synthesis is done. The procentrioles are growing into centrioles, and the cell starts to synthesize a significant number of histones, which are used to condense chromatins into chromosomes. In G2 phase, the cell reaches its maximum growth and is ready to proceed to the cell division. In addition, the procentrioles completely became centrioles, and the cell division, which is also known as mitosis and cytokinesis, will begin. While transitioning to prophase, spindle fibers start to grow. The chromatins are also turning into chromosomes. Then, at prophase, the chromosome starts to be visible under the microscope. The nucleolus also begins to disappear. The nucleolus vanished and the nucleus membrane is also starting to get dissolved. The chromatins completely turn to 6 X-shaped chromosomes, and once the chromosomes are floating into the cytoplasm after the nucleus membrane dissolved, the spindle fibers hold the chromosomes by the kinetochores and drag them to be aligned at the middle. The spindle fibers align the chromosomes in the middle of the cell, which is also the metaphase plate. The plate is also known to be where the cleavage furrow will form during phases between anaphase to cytokinesis. The spindle fibers will now pull the sister chromatids apart from the middle of the cell to near the poles of the cell. This will elongate the cell, and it will also initiate the formation of the cleavage furrow. The spindle fibers loosen their grip to the chromosomes, and it will slowly disappear from the side of the microscope. The old parts of the cell, the nucleus membrane and nucleolus, will also reappear, this time one in each side. The chromosomes will also decondense to chromatin inside the newly formed nucleus. The late stage of telophase will be ready for the division of the cytoplasm, which is called cytokinesis. The cleavage furrow will slowly tighten at the middle with the use of contractile ring, ensuring the equal distribution of cell contents. The contractile ring is made of actin microfilaments and myosin proteins. As the ring pitches inwards, the one cell will eventually split and turn into 2 identical daughter cells. Congratulations! You have now witnessed the cell division of a cell, especially the yellow fever mosquito. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked it.